Object-oriented programming is a style of programming that focuses on an application's data and the methods to manipulate that data. It uses all of the familiar concepts from procedural programming, such as variables, methods, and the passing of arguments. And it also includes the sequence, selection, and looping structures. Remember, all computer programs can be written using a variation of these three simple structures: sequence, selection, and looping. But object-oriented programming involves a different way of thinking than procedural programming. And I'm going to discuss 5 important features of object-oriented programming languages, starting with classes and objects. A class is a definition, or design, or plan, or blueprint of things you will use in your program. Think of a class as a noun, a person, a place, a thing, or an idea. But remember, the class is the definition or design of that noun. Closely related to classes are objects. Objects are the instances of the class, or a specific noun, a specific person, place, or thing. So if a class is like a blueprint, an object is an actual house. Your program may have one account class, but several account objects. You might have savings accounts and checking accounts. Tom might have an account and Sue might have an account. These are considered the 3 pillars of object-oriented programming, these 3 concepts: encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. Encapsulation is the idea of packing of data and functions into a single component. Think of it as a capsule or a package. It's the inclusion of one thing within another thing so that the included thing is not apparent or always visible. Inheritance is the idea that when you create a new class based on or derived from an existing class, the new class will retain all of the data and functions of the old or the existing class, but typically you add new data or functions to the new class. Polymorphism, which literally means many forms, is the ability of one method or function to react differently to different classes or objects. For example, think of the method of open. You want to open an object. Well, the open method will work differently for a door than it will for a drawer or a bank account or an eye. When you open your eye, that's different than opening a bank account. So briefly, those are 5 principles of object-oriented programming.